bars onto her body parts, Devika.
Okay, Rania Rao in her statement to the DRI has also said that she strapped 12 bars of gold on her body using adhesive tape that she had pre-cut and brought with her. She further hid gold in places like her shoes, etc. Let me now bring in our guests into the conversation as well. We have Mr. Mukesh Kumar Meena, former DGP of Goa, and Advocate R.K. Singh with us on the broadcast. I want to begin with Mr. Mukesh Kumar Meena. Mr. Meena, in terms of all the information that we're learning thus far, how do you think the investigative agencies will now really go about their probe into this matter? Because interesting facts coming out, on the one hand, she's made about 25 to 30 trips abroad. Then on the other hand, we're being told that she was collecting the gold from unknown people at Dubai airport and bringing it back to India. It seems as though something in the story is not really adding up.
The issue is very clear when she has been caught here, and this is not a normal channel by which she has come. Her intention is very clear to avoid taxes and duty, whatever is due to the government, and it was total violation of law. So action has been taken against her. Now regarding earlier trips, the investigating agency has to correlate her trips, has to seize the material, has to see the gold which she has brought earlier, or whenever if she has sold, the money trail has to be collected. It has to be examined whom she has sold, how the payment was made, who are the beneficiaries. Everybody has to be interrogated properly and examined. Unfortunately, I don't want to comment on investigating agencies, but since in India there are multiple agencies have started working, so it becomes very difficult if there is contradiction in investigation of one agency or investigation by other agency. So all agencies have to examine in such a way that truth should come out. They should not cook anything. Whatever is there, they should bring on record. It is very easy because these are all records. When she has visited those places, it is also on record. If payment has been made to that persons, it must be also record. Money trail also can be collected. The issue is, it is a very serious offense she has committed. And if like this everybody starts avoiding duty, then what will happen to the government revenue? Issue is, and we should take action against her like as per law.
Okay, I want to bring in